Hello everyone, this is Chris with StickerFab. Today we are looking at another little add-on product. It is a universal product, but I purchased it for a specific application. Now we have a mess of wires here because I don't have my normal daily driver, which is my 4-door Badlands. It is at the shop. Getting the alternator looked at, but this 2-door one that I have is the Luxe package, and it does have an auto-dimming mirror. I think the auto-dimming mirror starts appearing in vehicles at the mid-trim level. This is the Dongar adapter, and I've had this adapter in other videos. We've been selling this for a couple months, sells pretty well. Basically, it has OEM-style connectors on the ends of it, and it has a breakout so that it converts that 12 volts at that mirror to 5 volts and gives you a USB. Well, in addition to that, because I liked to keep my radar mounted on the dash, I needed an RJ11, kind of like a telephone looking type of jack for my Escort radar. So I had another converter from that 5 volts back to 12 volts, but into that RJ11, so I could use my radar detector, and that one had a USB plug, like I said. So on the Luxe packages, you could hook it right here as well. But this Dongar adapter was mainly for getting one device hooked up to USB. And that one device in my other vehicle is a car DVR, a digital video recorder, a dash cam. And I needed 2 devices. I needed that dash cam to be run, and I needed my Escort radar detector to be running as well. I also wanted that radar detector to be mounted really high, tucked in close to this. I didn't want to buy the $100 and some adapter that mounts on the neck of this. I just wanted the suction cup mount so I could trade vehicles if I wanted to, but mount it up real high. With just that 5 volt to 12 volt RJ11, I'd have to mount it like down here, which is fine, but my preference was not to be over that center channel speaker. I wanted it mounted up high. So we got these little USB hubs. Now this USB hub can be used in other places. Of course, you will be splitting the maximum output, but right now I have that hooked up to my iPhone 13 Pro Max Mega Super Duper, and that's a big device. And I have it hooked up to an iPad Pro, which is also a large device. This was completely dead. It's up to 2% in a few minutes. So proof of concept, this little hub can connect into the Dongar and give you some more outputs. Of course, you don't want to exceed a certain amount. I would not try to charge an iPad and an iPhone with it, especially not an iPad Pro. This is USB-C. It's a very big device, actually. But these will be available on our site, and mainly because I want you to be able to hook up the DVR, the dash cam, and another item like an Escort radar. I think Valentine uses it, and some other ones as well. But since that is a normal USB plug right here, let's see if I can take that off with one hand. You can connect it to the bottom here. Of course, you can tuck all these wires, you can zip tie them up into a nice bundle behind that big mirror so it doesn't become an eyesore. Again, this is kind of a proof of concept video. I'm going to plug it down here. Now, if we plug it down here, USB hubs are not supported. Please remove. So you get that message in the dash because I'm not trying to connect multiple vehicles for the purpose of doing something through the radio, through the stereo, but still got that charging, and my phone that I'm using to record right now is still charging as well. So look for these little USB hubs on our site. It can also come handy if you're out and about and you're trying to do something on your computer and you realize, man, I need more USB ports while you're off-roading, trying to convert media or whatever. But simple little 3-port, 1, 2, and then 3-port USB hub that's available on our site. They'll give you multiple charging options, and if you connect it to a computer, you can use it for data. But in our application, I was mainly trying to get the benefits of the multiple ports for charging. So please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we are coming out with for the 2021-2022 Ford Bronco, the Bronco Sport sitting over there, and the Ford Maverick sitting right there.